Hey there friends, if you watched my previous video where I water cooled this system over here, and if you paid a little bit of attention, you'll realize that I forgot to put a drain into the loop. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video, is correcting that mistake. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I was able to put the drain in, works great. I was able to get most of the fluid out of my loop. So now it's time to mix up my Primo Chill True Clear UV Blue and put it in the system. Well, there you have it guys. I wish I hadn't forgotten to put the drain in the first place, but all's well that ends well, I suppose. It looks great, works great. In fact, it works better than the drain that I have in my main gaming system that you can check out on other videos on my channel. But regardless, I hope you liked this video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. I'd love to have you as a subscriber to my channel. If you want to be one of those, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you next time.